If this is your first time here, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. So today we are styling our flat ironed hair. I flat ironed my hair last night. Didn't style it, just wanted to get it straight, kind of bump the ends. It has been wrapped for like a day and a half now. Not a day and a half, but over 12 hours for certain. So taking the hair down, and while I styled my hair, I wanted to talk to you guys about a new product I've been taking. It's not super new. If you've watched my videos before, you may have seen it in a previous vlog, but it is Kintsugi. I've been taking these hair supplements. Normally, I don't really go for extra supplements simply because a multivitamin takes care of just about everything that you might need that you're missing. So I'm like, let's look and see. But when I look at the back, I said it upon my first impression, I'm gonna say it again, I'm still super impressed. It has a lot of ingredients that's just not your regular biotin. Let's give her 250,000 micrograms of biotin, which actually can break you out. So this product is unlike any other product that I've seen on the market. As you all know, I am a pharmacist and I used to work in retail, meaning I had a lot of access and a lot of knowledge about the over-the-counter products. A lot of people used to ask me about hair, skin, nails products, so there you have it. So Kintsugi is quite different just because, like I said before, it's not just your simple biotin. It has vitamin D, E, niacin, vitamin B6, biotin, panthoic acid, iron, zinc. Then they have their own like proprietary blends and supplements. Let's get into those. We've got their KeraPlast, their proprietary blend, meaning they have created this blend. It's unique to KeraNew. It's their glow solubilized keratin. They've got hydrolyzed collagen 1 and 3, MSM. If you didn't know, it stands for methylsulfonomethane. Okay, then we have acerola extract. We've got hyaluronic acid. We've got bamboo extract. Bamboo, getting excited as I'm reading these ingredients because I used to take bamboo extract as a vegan means for skin elasticity. Bamboo extract has some collagen in it, so that's in here, so that's exciting. Ginkgo biloba, Panax ginseng, saw palmetto, burdock, moringa, hibiscus, aloe vera, ashwagandha, and nettle leaf powder. One more, horsetail extract. So over there at KeraNew, they believe that women should have beautiful, thick hair, and they believe it starts inside. So a lot of those products can and have been used for other things. So it's really exciting to find a hair supplement that does that. All right, enough yakking for a little bit. Let's get into styling this hair because, honey, we've got things to do, people to see, places to go. Okay, so it's just gonna be really quick, guys. I'm just gonna do a deep side part. I worked out twice today, and so my hair got a little sweated out. The wrap helped minimize a lot of like the frizz and waviness that would have came as a result. Let's talk more about KeraNew, guys, because I'm really excited about it. So I have been on a hair journey ever since I cut and colored it. What was that, 2019? And then I've been letting it grow, and then I kind of just left it alone. Like I didn't do much else to it, much else with it. It was just kind of there. Recently I got this new color, and my hair also got trimmed, and I'm in love. And I am now just in a place where I just want to see how long I can get my hair without it looking like, you know, like thin at the ends, stringy, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see how long I can get it. my inches stuff, my oh my god, I can't believe it's not bundle stuff. I kind of want a curved part, so we are doing that. So KeraNew, when I first got the product, they sent it over to me. Well, prior to getting it, I looked on their website, and as soon as I looked at the ingredients list, I was hooked. I like to do my own research. I like to see, you know, what's really in here. Because some brands will say, oh, this product will help do this, but it has something in there that isn't really for that purpose. So this, when they said they had a hair supplement for me, and it's supposed to make your hair thicker and longer, I looked at that ingredient list and I concur. So essentially, all in this product is almost like a hair multivitamin. You get a lot of your essentials, that vitamin D. A lot of those items in there is necessary for basic cell function. You know what I'm saying? So I was really impressed to see that. And I have been taking KeraNew for approximately, consistently, it's been like 2 months that I've been consistently taking this product, okay? They're very easy to take. They're not hard on my stomach at all. Some supplements you'll see can be a little bit harsh on the stomach due to the fact that they might have calcium or iron in it. This does have iron, but it's a very low amount, so you don't have to take these with food if you don't want to. But you know, if you are a little more sensitive, you have more of a sensitive stomach, feel free to take that with food as you see fit. I started taking these when I had braids in my head, so I guess it's almost been 3 months now that I'm thinking about it. It's almost been 3 months. I didn't know how I was going to react, so when I first started getting it, I just took one. Because like I was saying before, if you take too much biotin and you don't flush it out with water, your skin will react. It will try to leave your body through your skin, some of it, and then you end up having irritation and you end up breaking out. So I didn't want to experience that. And like I said, I already take multivitamins, so I started off taking one. Then I saw that my body tolerated it well. I felt good while taking it, so then I bumped it up to the recommended dose of 2 capsules. So I'm on the 2 capsules. My hair is looking great. It's growing a lot. Like, I just got my hair trimmed, and when I say trimmed, like I'd say about 1 inch in some places taken off. My hair is already, I'm gonna turn around so you could see what I'm talking about, girl. My hair is already, okay, it's there, and she's thick. So after I got my braids, I took those out. I went to get my hair done, and she was just saying, like, a lot of my hair looked, in the back, looked broken off. And in the front, I could tell my edges were not as full. I feel as though I experience way more shedding than I normally do with braids. So good thing I started taking KeraNew when I did, because my edges are growing back, and they're growing back nicely. What I mean by that is, like, here. This never used to be this short. This looks broken off, doesn't it? Like, if you look at this, how is this section a little further down so much longer than this section here? That wasn't like that before. I'm looking in the mirror if I didn't tell you guys that before, so I know what I'm doing. It's growing back, you know what I'm saying? But look at that. Look at that. Over here is like that too. But you see, like, I never truly had a whole lot of baby hair. I used to cut my my hair around my edges to be shorter so that I could style it as if I had baby hair. But I never really had baby hair all like that. Once I saw the difference in length, I was highly upset. Back to some of the products. It has the ginkgo biloba in it. Ginkgo is great for memory. It's great for those connections in your brain. It's got aloe vera, which is so, I'm getting the back because the back got sweated out. That wasn't clear. Aloe vera is great to help hydrate the body. A lot of people drink aloe vera juice because of that reason. So if you're hydrating your body, your hair is going to in turn grow long and thick. Hair is a byproduct of what you put in your body. So if you put good things in your body, your hair will reflect that. So KeraNew has been helping my new hair that grows in. It's helping my hair grow thicker. It's helping it grow healthier. As you can see, I've got a lot of shine. I did not put any oils in my hair. It is just looking lively. It's doing what it needs to do. So as for my kind of 2.5, 3 month update, I can report that I'm still vibing with KeraNew, still enjoying her. She has not been irritating me or my skin. Okay, so if you can see, I did more of a drastic bang. Oof, loving her, loving. I'm just gonna take some hair oil, just a couple pumps. I didn't put any oil in my hair last night. So depending on how it laid, I told myself I was gonna add just a kiss, just a touch. I think that in addition to doing protective hairstyles, eating balanced diets, that you still need to nourish your body with real foods, whole foods. You've got to drink your water, and you've got to treat your hair kind. You know, get trims when you need to get them. And I think you will see that all of that combined, in addition to KeraNew, will definitely improve the look, feel, texture, growth of your hair. So I'm excited to see more physical results, more physical evidence once I take it on a longer term, you know what I'm saying? So I'll probably do 6 month review to a year review just to see how my hair is doing. And I just wanted to take a second to read the actual message that they put on the bottle, the intention of the hair supplement capsules. It says, an advanced hair boosting supplement designed to nourish and revitalize your hair from the inside out. Things I've been saying. By providing your body with essential nutrients, which it has, this formula works to target the underlying culprits of dull, thin, brittle hair, helping you achieve what? Longer, thicker, beautiful, shiny hair, stronger hair. Helping you achieve a fuller, shinier, healthier look you'll love. Funny how, you know, I had to do my little ad-libs, and a lot of the things I said is on the bottle. So do your research before taking anything, but just know that I've done a lot of the research for you on this one. I definitely recommend it. She's giving you the goods, guys. I'm giving it to you. That was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in trying KeraNew, I do have a link down below, as well as a discount code, so you can get some additional money off. Share this video with a friend. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm certain very soon. Love you all. Have a good one. Bye.